Hello Nathan, hope you are well. So I have set up these boards, so I want to update you. Like I have set up these client account and client communication board. So first we are going to update account board. So in client account board, I have set up these group: active client, need attention, paused client, onboarding client, and complete and inactive client. So in active client, I have set up this custom field like client name, account manager, media buyer, last SMS sent, last call made, next contact date, and add status. Like here you can see running, paused, need reviews, not started, completed, creative asset, and then next update, client feedback, quick links. Here you can put quick links, then client mode, happy, neutral, upset, then uh, notes, etc. So by the way, here I am not able to automate these group because your monthly limit of automation is completed. Due to this reason I am not able at this time. By the way, after next month, after this month, in next month I will do that. Like here little bit internet slow. Like here your account has been reached maximum action limit, so I am not able to add extra and new automation. So next board is client communication. So here in client communication I have set up this group like this week contact, follow up, and complete contact. So like first of all, like this is item, then I have add the group. Like here you can see I have add active client group here, so you can here see and add something here. Like you can select this, so add this member. So here custom field like client, date of contact, person, contact, contact type like SMS, call, email, summary, then outcome, next step, full update, so more. So I have set up this, so review this work and let me know if you need any changing. So thank you.